can move on to ion electron method. Okay. Acha, you have sent me. It is downloading. Okay, fine. So if you were able to do this, then it is fine. Otherwise, I will be having. I have to check this. Acha. Can you see this, guys?
Yes, sir.
Tell me here, na. First question that I want to ask is, what did you take this as acidic medium or basic medium? Khalid, can you check your copy and tell me whether you took it as acidic medium or basic medium? What happened, Khalid? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I took it basic.
Why? What is this? Tell me now. What is this molecule? What is this compound?
Oh, it's an acid.
HNO3 is obviously an acid, no? Okay. So you have to take care of these things also. That this will be done by taking acid, okay? By taking acid. So what I will do is, let us take this question. Okay, and let us try to do this question. So what do we have? We have MnO plus Pb O2 plus HNO3. This is giving me HMnO4 plus Pb NO3 whole twice plus H2O. Fine. So you guys start. If you have the oxidation state, please tell me. Turn the mic on and tell me the oxidation state of all the elements here. Okay, this will be -2. Oxygen is -2. Oxygen is -2 here also. -2 here also. And -2 here also. Tell me for Mn in the first case. In the reactant side, tell me for Mn. What is the oxidation state of Mn? What is the oxidation state of Mn? You guys calculated this. Now what happened? Why you are taking so much time? Khalid, Hamza. Am I audible? Hello, students. What happened?
Yes, sir. It will be +2.
Okay. +2. What about lead here? Pb.
+5.
5. Why 5? These are oxidation state. -2 is oxidation state of oxygen. +4, na?
+4.
+4, na, Hamza? What happened? Fahim, do you know how to calculate oxidation states?
Kind of.
Kind of. Okay. Fine. Okay. For nitrogen, what will be nitrogen here? Hydrogen will be +1. And hydrogen will be +1. What about nitrogen then?
+5.
+5. Yeah, correct. Tell me about Tell me about manganese here. This will be again +1. Yeah, it will be +1. Yeah, it will be +1.
+6.
+6. +6 or +7? +6 or +7? 6. Why 6? Seven, na? वही 4 2s are 8 minus 1.
My bad.
है ना? +7. Okay. For NO3 is what? NO3 is 1 negative, 2 negative. Calculate this also, no? Calculate this also. PbO2. Sorry, not PbO2. PbNO3 whole twice. अच्छा, Khalid and Hamza, you said you did this, ना? Hamza? आपने किया है ये?
Yes, sir.
तो कहाँ किया है फिर आपने बताइए? You have that in notebook or somewhere, na? Or no?
Yes, sir. But
So
I couldn't find it right now.
you could not find it right now. Okay. What about Khalid?
Sir, I was like doing in mind that day. Everything,
Oh.
the calculation. So I don't remember now. It's taking me time to calculate it.
अरे ऐसे I don't do that. Okay, do it in your notebooks. Okay, even though if this is a multiple choice, it doesn't mean that you will do everything in your mind. You have to use your pen and paper. Okay, calculate this here and tell me now. This will be +1 obviously. Hydrogen. Yes, Fahim, can you calculate for PB here?
Sir, I'm doing it.
Okay.
Will it be 5?
5. I don't think so. 5. What is the charge on NO3? Na? You have this polyatomic ion, na? NO3. NO3 is 1 negative, na? Yes or no?
Yes.
So if NO3 is 1 negative, there are 2 NO3s. So this total charge here, it will be how much?
1.
2 negative, na? Because there is 2. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
So this will be +2 to balance it. Correct?
Hmm.
Okay, now we do one thing, which is we will see what is getting oxidized and what is getting reduced. So if I go from Mn from here to here, what is happening? There is an increase of, there is an increase of what oxidation number? Na? Oxidation number increase of 5 per atom. Like each atom of manganese, it experiences increase in oxidation state by 5. If I go from lead from reactant to product, I can see that is a decrease in oxidation number by 2 per atom. Now what you do here is you write 5 here, you write 2 here, and you do cross multiplication, and after that we will be balancing the other things. We'll have 2 MnO plus 5 PbO2 plus HNO3. It will give me, now since there is 2 manganese, I will write 2 HMnO4. Okay, 2 HMnO4 plus I will be writing 5 PbNO3 whole twice. 5 PbNO3 whole twice plus H2O. Now see, most of the options they have X and Y as 2 and 5. Can you see? So obviously B is not the answer. Okay, B is not the answer. B is not the answer. Let us see. We have an option which is 10, 5. Okay. 5 NO3, 2. So I think 10 will be there. If I want to balance the NO3,
Sir,
how
it's
many
A.
NO3s are there? Hello?
It's A.
A, na? Yeah, because it is having 10. Yeah, it is A only.
Yeah, the answer
If you
is
balance A, na? If you balance this NO3, then there is 5
Equals
those
10.
are 10 NO3. Then you have to add 10 here. Now I think everything will be balanced now. So you have 10 hydrogen here, and how many hydrogens do we have here? We have 2 hydrogen here, and what I can do, I can balance this water also, but I don't need to. Other things are balanced. I can balance everything. Water, I mean, let me balance that also, no problem. 10 hydrogen is here. You have 2 hydrogens, and how many more do you need? 4 more, no? 4 2 is 8 plus 2 10. Then what else is remaining? You have oxygen here, oxygen here. This is 2 plus 10, 2 5 2 10 12 12 और इधर 30 है ना, 12 30 42 42 के बाद इधर 4 दूनी 8 42 42 42 42 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 6 और इधर 30 और इधर 8 38 38 और 4 42. हाँ, both of them has 42 oxygens. Both of them have 42 oxygens. Okay. So you just needed to take care of this thing, that you have this as the acidic place. Okay, this is the acidic. It was easy because they had given water in the product side. Can I move on? All of you are done now? Yes or no? All of you wrote this?
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now let us write another method, which is ion electron method, or a half equation or half reaction method. Right? Ion electron method. Of balancing. Okay. So again, we will be directly starting with an example. Okay. We'll be directly starting with an example, and then we will be seeing what are these steps slowly. Ion electron method, or it is also known as or half equation method. So let us take an example. We have to balance. We have to balance the reaction. Let us say chrome Cr2O7 2 negative plus Fe2 positive plus H plus, and this gives you Cr3 positive plus Fe3 positive plus H2O. Done. Write this. Here also you have to calculate the oxidation number. Okay, you have to calculate the oxidation number. There is no going away from that. You have to calculate the oxidation number. So I'm writing for the simple ones. This will be -2 oxygen. This will be +2. This will be +1. This is +3. This is also +3. Water will be +1. Oxygen will be -2. Okay, so you just need to calculate for chromium here. Calculate for chromium and tell me. The 2 negative is the, this -2 is what? -2 is the oxidation state of oxygen. Okay, and 2 negative is the charge on Cr2O7. Calculate and tell me, na? Happened, guys, so much of time, huh? 2x plus minus 2 into 7 is equal to minus 2. 2x minus 14 is equal to minus 2. 2x is equal to 14 minus 2. X is equal to 12 by 2. X is equal to 6. Chromium is plus 6. Chromium is plus 6. Okay. What happened, Hamza, Khalid, Salman? किसी से नहीं हुआ? Hiba, what happened? Hamza, कुछ तो बोलिए.
Yes, sir.
Are you guys
I
not
solved it.
practicing?
No, sir, I solved it.
Then you did not send me. Did you send me in chat?
No, sir.
Okay. So for chromium, and then we will write one thing for Fe. Okay. So Cr2 O72 negative. It is getting converted to Cr3 positive. What is this? From plus 6 to plus 3. This is the reduction. Okay. And here you have Fe2 positive to Fe3 positive. What is this? This is oxidation. Any problem here? Any problem here? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No problem. Okay. So see, first of all, you have to. We will start with this oxidation one, and we will balance this reaction. Okay, we will balance this particular half equation. We will balance this. How we will balance this? Balancing of oxidation half. So Fe2 positive is giving Fe3 positive. So tell me, is everything balanced here? Yes or no? Is everything balanced here? Yes or no? What happened? Is number of iron balanced? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Number of iron is not balanced. How many iron is there here? How many irons is there? One, na? Here also one iron.
Oh, sorry, they are
the-
balanced. I was talking about charge.
Charge is not balanced. We have to balance the charge. So what we will do, it is what? It is a oxidation. So what we will do, Fe2 plus, then I will write plus 1 electron. So if I see the net charge here, it is plus 2. And if I see the net charge, so there is 3 positive and 1 negative. That means the net charge is how much? Plus 2. Now this is balanced. Is this balanced? Yes or no? Tell me. Is this balanced? Yes,
sir.
or no? Okay, fine. Thank you. Then we are balancing the reduction half. What happened, Hamza and Hiba? You did not understand this point. Tell me.
Sir, understood.
Okay. So what is the reduction half? We have Cr2O7, 2 negative. Okay, Cr2O7, 2 negative. It is getting converted into what? It is getting converted into. Achha, you can write here 2 Cr3 positive. Hai na? It is getting converted into Cr3 positive. First thing that we can do is there are 2 chromium. I will write 2 chromium here. Any problem? Any problem? No problem, no?
No, sir.
No. Okay, fine. Now, Cr2 positive, the oxidation state is plus 6. So it is going from plus 6 to plus 3. Now tell me, per chromium, how many electron will be used per chromium? To go from plus 6 to plus 3, how many electron do you need? If you want to go from plus 6 to plus 3?
3.
3 electron. Okay. Now, how many chromiums are there? How many chromium are there? 2 chromium, na? That means you will need in total 6 electron. And then you will have 2 Cr3 positive. Tell me, all of you understand the 6 electron, now why this 6 electron is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now tell me, is everything balanced here? Yes or no? Is everything balanced here? No, na? Oxygen is remaining, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Oxygen is remaining.
Can
Oxygen
you
is
explain
remaining.
it again?
Which part? This part?
Yes, this one.
6 electron part, na? Okay. You understand, na? That plus chromium has, acha, this chromium, the Cr2 has the oxidation state plus 6 or Cr? Fahim?
Cr2.
No, Cr only. Why? Because you know how we calculate this? We calculate it like this, na? Cr2O7, 2 negative. For Cr2, we take it 2x, right?
Yes.
So we are calculating x. That means we are calculating for each chromium. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
है ना? So we are, first of all, the first thing is that we are calculating for each chromium atom. Each chromium atom. Now each chromium atom is going from plus 6 to plus 3. Any problem here?
No.
So if you want to go from plus 6 to plus 3, that means you will have to eat up electrons. How many electrons will you eat?
3.
So each chromium atom is eating how many electrons? 3 electrons.
3.
Now in total, it will be eating how many electrons? This molecule here, it will be eating 6 electrons because it has 2 chromium atoms inside it. Got it?
Yes.
Got it? Okay. Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Now here, no problem. Here, what we have to do, we have to balance the oxygens also. Okay, we have to balance the oxygen also. Now, as you can see that there is H plus here, it means what? We have a acidic condition. We have acidic condition. That means what we can do is we can add. Acha, is it balanced right now? Charge is balanced. Tell me now, is the charge balanced? Yes or no? What is the total charge here? The total charge is 8 negative, na? And the total charge here is what? What is the total charge here? 6 positive charge. The charge is not balanced. Yes or no? Can you guys see this? That the charge is not balanced? या नहीं दिख रहा आप लोगों को चार्ज बैलेंस करना? हमजा,
Yes, sir.
हिबा, खालिद, सलमान, फहीम. हाँ हमजा बोलिए. You were saying something.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I could see that.
You can see that now. Okay, fine. Now to balance the charge, what I will do? What is the difference? Here we have 8 negative, and here we have 6 positive. Can you tell me what is the difference? How much do I need to add? We need to add some positive charge, right? We need to add some positive charge in the reactant side. अरे नंबर लाइन में खींचिए ना, नंबर लाइन में बताइए अगर आपके पास.
14.
हाँ, thank you very much. Oh, very good. 14. Okay. So here we will have Cr2O7, 2 negative, plus 6 electron, and I can add the positive charge as 14H plus ion because it will be acidic. Then I will write what? I can write 2 Cr3 positive. Okay, 2 Cr3 positive. Now, after this, what I will do, I will balance the oxygen. Cr2O7, 2 negative, plus 6 electron, plus 14H plus 2 Cr3 positive.
How did the 14H came again?
You know the difference now, that from -8 to +6, you will have a difference of how much? 14, na?
Oh, yes, sir.
है ना? So that is why 14H plus.
Okay.
Got it? Now, yeah, Hamza, you want to say something?
No, sir.
Actually, you raised your hand. I thought you wanted to see something.
Sir, there's
problem.
some problem with my Zoom since yesterday. I don't know what has happened.
वो हाथ उठा ले रहा है.
No, so like yesterday I got disconnected in the during the class and I could not connect again.
Have you updated it?
No,
The
there's
Zoom. No.
no,
Maybe
there's no
see,
update.
there is no update. Okay, I don't know then.
If you are on
Maybe.
PC, then there is update. If you are on mobile, it still then drop.
What are you saying, Fahim? If you are
The
in
mobile
PC,
is up to date. If you are on PC, it will get update. But if you're on mobile, it's up to date.
if we are on PC, we have to check for updates, na?
Yes, it has an
Exactly.
update.
It
Unless you
has an
turn
update.
auto update on.
If you go to that photo, na, whatever your photo is there, Hamza H will be written in the main dashboard if you want to see them. There you will see that check for updates. Okay, so maybe you can try that. Here, वो सब zoom बाद में. Now let us concentrate here. Okay, so tell me how many water molecules should I add here? How many water molecules? We have 14H plus and 7 oxygen. That is the only thing which is not balanced. Everything else is balanced.
Sir, we can add 7H2O.
And then it will be balanced, correct?
Yes, sir.
7H2.
Okay, any problem? No problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. So we have this equation here. Okay, this equation here, which is our reduction half, and here we have the oxidation half. So we'll now write both of these. Okay, now we will write both of these. So the oxidation half is what? We have Fe2 plus, I guess. It is giving me Fe3 positive plus an electron. Now, for the reduction half, I have Cr2O7, 2 negative, plus 6 electron, plus 14H plus, and this is giving me 2Cr3 positive, plus 7H2O. Okay, now see, we need to add both of these. But as you can see that there is some electrons here and there are some electrons here. Now these electrons should not be present in the balanced chemical reaction. That is why what we have to do. Acha, you know about this concept, na? A plus B plus C is giving me C plus D plus E. Then I can write this equation as A plus B is giving me D plus E. You know this, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And if you have same things around the equation, then you can cancel it. Okay. Let me erase this part. Now, similarly, as you can see, if I will add this, then the electrons here, it should get cancelled by the electrons in this particular half reaction. Now, since there is only one electron here and there are 6 electrons here, what I will do, I will multiply this whole equation by 6. Okay, now if I will multiply this whole equation by 6, I will get 6 here, I will get 6 here, and I will get 6 electron here. Then what will happen? This 6 electron and this 6 electron can be cancelled out, and we can add up the rest of the equation. So this will be Cr2O7, 2 negative, plus 6 Fe, 2 positive, plus 14H plus, gives me 2 Cr3 positive, plus 6 Fe, 3 positive, plus 7H2O. Okay, so this is your balanced chemical equation now. Okay, don't worry, we will do a few more questions, then you will get a hang of it. And right now you can copy this. So we will do one for basic medium. Let me know if you're done, okay? Done or what? Not done. Right.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. What about others? Khalid, Salman, Fahim, Hiba.
Yes, sir, done.
2 minutes.
Done, sir.
Okay. Fahim, you are writing, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me know if you're done, okay? Fahim.
Done, sir.
Okay. Khalid or Fahim? I think it was Khalid, no?
Yes, sir.
What about Fahim? Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Write another question. We have to balance CrOH whole thrice plus IO3 negative plus IO3 negative. This is giving me I negative plus CrO4 2 negative. Okay. In basic medium. In basic medium. So first of all, what do? We write the reaction and then we calculate the oxidation state. So please do that. Okay. So OH is what? OH is negative, right? OH negative. That means Cr will be having 3 positive charge. Since there are 3 OHs, that means there will be 3 negative charge due to this whole thing. And there will be +3 charge and the +3 oxidation state of chromium. Now here oxygen is -2. So 3 to the 6 and +1. Oh no, 3 to the 6 and -1. No? Yeah. 3 to the 6 and -1. This will be +5. Here it is having -1. Chromium is 4 oxygen. So 4 to the 8 and -2. This will be +6. Oxygen is -2. Okay. So we have our reduction and oxidation. So let me write oxidation first. So from Cr, from here to here, it is oxidation, right? CrOH whole thrice is giving me CrO4 2 negative. Okay. Now, what do we need to do? We need to balance the charges. We need to balance the charges. How will we balance this? Here there is no charge. Now tell me. Oxidation is happening.
We add hydrogen on the left side, right side, I guess.
Hydrogen. Let us first write like this: CrOH, right? CrO4, 2 negative, plus 3 electron. Does this make sense?
Yes.
Does this make sense? What about others? Hamza, Heba, plus
Yes,
3
sir.
2 plus 6, na? Oxidation, so removal of 3 electrons. Removal of 3 electrons. Okay. Now next is see. We have OHs here, but we don't have. We have only oxygens here. Okay. We need to balance that. So what I am going to do here, see, we cannot add water molecules. We cannot add positive charges, right? And also, what is the charge here? The charge here is 0. And what is the charge here? The charge here is 3 and -2 is -5 charge. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now what I can do is I can add, if I will get -5 charge here, and it is good that we have a basic medium. If we have basic medium, that means we have a lot of OH minus. So that means I can do OH whole thrice plus 5 OH negative, and this will give me CrO4 2 negative plus 3 electron. This makes sense, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, all of you. Now, to balance this, what we need to do, we need to add some water molecules in the right hand side. Okay, we need to add some. We don't know, we will not mess up with the charges now. We will just add some water molecules to balance up the oxygens and the hydrogens. Now you guys will tell me how many water molecules should I add here. So here we have how many oxygens, let us see. So 3, yeah, only 3, no? Yeah, 3, and here 5, 8. Here we have 4. We need 4 more, so I can write 4H2. Yes or no? Tell me. See, tell me how many water molecules do I need to add? Hit and trial. You just need to add the oxygens on the reactant side and product side. Whatever is the difference, that many water molecules we have to add.
Sir, we have 8 water molecules on the left hand side.
Yeah, here we have 8, correct? And here we have 4, no?
4.
So we can add, if I add 4 water molecules, then oxygens are balanced, yes or no?
On the left hand side or on the right hand
Are okay, where will
So
I
oxygens
add?
are balanced, but what about hydrogen?
Hydrogen is not balanced.
Water molecules on the left hand side is balanced.
Right hand side, no? I have added in right hand side, not left hand side. See, Fahim,
Yes.
what are you saying?
Did you ask on the left hand side is it balanced?
अरे भाई Fahim, balance एक side नहीं होता ना. Balance, it is like you have to equate both of these things. You cannot say that the right side is balanced but the left side is not balanced.
The both things needs to be balanced, right?
And both things are equal, then we say it is balanced. है ना? Right? When both like on the right hand side and the left hand side, if the atoms, the charges are balanced, are equal, that means the reaction is balanced. Okay.
Okay.
So we see what did we had here? We had 8 oxygens here. We had only 4 oxygens here. So I added 4 water molecules. It made, now I have what? 8 oxygens here and I have 8 oxygens here. You may check for what? You may check for hydrogen, whether it is balanced or not. Check for hydrogen, whether it is balanced or not. I think it is balanced.
Yes, sir, balanced.
Balanced, no? Okay. Now that means we have we are done with the oxidation one. Let us write the reduction half reaction. Okay. So reduction half reaction. Reduction half. So what is our reduction half? We have IO3 negative, and it is converting into I negative. Okay. So the first thing that I will write is IO3 negative plus how many electrons? See the change here. It is going from, where's the reaction? It is going from +5 to -1. So how many electrons will be needed? Tell me now. From here to here, +5 to -1. 6 electrons will be needed. So you'll write IO3 negative plus 6 electron will give me I negative. Now, can you guys see there is some disbalance of charges? Yes or no? What is the net charge here? Net charges? What is the net charge here? What happened, guys? I'm asking the net charge now. There is IO3 negative which has a negative charge, and there are 6 electrons which have negative charges, 1 negative charge on each of the electrons. So tell me, what will be the total negative charge here? What happened? You guys can't. Yes, Hamza? Hamza, can you please turn the mic on?
Yes, sir.
You're not understanding what I'm asking.
I'm calculating select.
What are you calculating?
I'm a bit confused.
Okay, fine. You're confused. What did I ask? Can you tell me?
Sir, like the charges, if they are how much charge, how much charge do it have?
So let us say this reactant side. What is the charge on the reactant side? The total charge. You don't know? Can you not see it? Right? I mean, as you look at it, Hamza.
Yes, sir.
Just by looking at it, you don't know the charge? No, na?
No, sir.
No, okay. So you know the difference between charge and oxidation state?
Yes, sir.
They are different, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Can you tell me what is the charge on IO3 negative? This whole molecule. IO3 negative has how much charge? You don't know? Ca2 positive has how much charge?
The +2.
+2, no? That is the charge. So what about IO3 negative? What will be the charge? -1?
-1, yes, sir.
Okay, fine. This is -1. Okay. And what about the 6 electron? What will be the charge with 6 electron? 1 electron has -1 charge, so 6 electron will have -6 charge, no?
-6.
So this will be -7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What about here? -1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how much is the difference? How much is the difference?
The 1.
6.
अरे 1 नहीं है ना, 6 है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes.
है ना? 6 है. Now, if there's a difference of 6, that means I need to add something negative here. Correct? We have to add something negative in this side. So I will write IO3 negative plus 6 electron will give me I negative. Plus I will write, I'm balancing the charge, okay? Balancing the charge, and I will write 6 OH negative. Oops, why I'm writing 3 and saying 6? 6 OH negative. So here also we have -7 charge, and here also we have -7 charge. So the charges are balanced, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is the next thing? We have balanced the charges. Now, what do we need to do? We need to balance the oxygen and the hydrogens. Oxygen and the hydrogen. So obviously, if I have added some oxygen and hydrogen here, that it's OHs. That means I have to add something here to balance it. Okay, I have to add some water molecules to balance it here. So tell me, how many water molecules do I need to add? How many oxygens are here? How many oxygens are here in the reactant side? 3, na? And how many
Yes, sir.
oxygens are here? And how many oxygens are here?
Sir,
6. What is the difference?
3.
So how many water molecules?
3.
That's it. 3 water molecules we will add plus 6 electron will give me I negative plus 6 OH negative. Okay. Look for the hydrogens now. Are they balanced? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Balanced.
Balanced. So everything is balanced now. We have one iodine here. Also we have one iodine. 6 is the number of oxygen here. Also 6 oxygen, 6 hydrogens, and here also 6 hydrogens. Now this is our what? This is our reduction half. Okay. So we have our oxidation half and reduction half, and then we will add them. So let me write the oxidation half. What was our reaction for the oxidation? We have CrOH whole thrice and 5 and 4 H2O. Okay. So we have CrOH whole thrice plus 5 OH negative. This is going to give me what? It is going to give me CrO4 2 negative plus 4 H2O na? Plus 4 H2O plus how many electrons? 3 electrons. Yes or no? 3 electrons na? 3 electrons, yeah. Then we have the reduction half. In reduction half, I have IO3 negative plus 3 H2O plus 6 electron is going to give me I negative plus 6 OH negative. Okay, we can tolerate everything, but we cannot tolerate extra charges. So when you are adding this oxidation half and reduction half, the number of electrons should be same. Is it same here? Yes or no? Is it same
No.
here? No. What do I need to do to the oxidation half?
Multiply by 2.
Multiply by 2. Okay, multiply by 2. So then I will write it here like this. Two CrOH whole thrice plus 5 2s are 10 OH negative. Okay, now this is going to be weird. Now in this case, I like that monospace fonts, you know. Do you know monospace fonts? No, I don't know. Okay, OH negative. In that now you have the
Yeah, I know, sir.
0 has a dot. It is good to differentiate between zeros and O's. Okay, 10 OH negative plus IO3 negative plus 3H2O. That's it. It is going to give me 2 CrO4 2 negative plus 4 2s are 8 H2O plus I negative plus 6 OH negative. Okay. Now I hope you can see a few things. For example, 10 OH negative is here. Here we have 6 OH negative. Here we have 3 H2O. Here we have 8 H2O. Now we can cancel some things out. Okay. That means I can write 2 CrOH whole thrice plus 10 minus 6. Here will be remaining 4 OH negative plus IO3 negative. And here we have 3 H2O. Here we have 8 H2O. That means all these 3 H2O will be removed, and I will write 2 CrO4 2 negative plus 8 minus 3 is how much? 5 H2O plus I negative. Okay, now this 6 OH negative have been already cancelled due to 10 OH negative in the reactant side. So please write this. Okay, so today I don't have to give you many questions because you are just starting with this method. You will get the hang of it. Please write this down. Please write this down.
Sir, do we need to write the above part, or we write this one?
Oh, you have not written down. You need to write this also. Whole thing. From here. Yeah.
It's okay, sir. I will take a screenshot.
Take a screenshot. Done.
Yes.
Take a screenshot from here. Wait a second. Wait. Yeah, take a screenshot here.
Done, sir.
And then here. And you can take a screenshot. Now I will give you the steps, okay? So while you are doing the questions and the assignment, that will help you.
Sir, so do we have assignment? Like me?
I mean, have you logged in the app or something, or the web portal anywhere?
I don't know anything about it.
You don't, you haven't right now, no? So maybe if you ask that number now to give the assignment on redox reaction, the latest one, they will send it to you. Or if you log in the Learnivio app or the web portal, there also you can find the latest assignments. Okay.
Okay.
So let me write, what are we doing here? First of all, what do we do? Ion electron method. So in ion electron method, what is the step one? The step one is to calculate oxidation state of all of the species. That is correct. Okay. But what do we do with that oxidation number? We separate oxidation half and reduction half. Okay. Now, after separating oxidation half and reduction half, what happens? After the separation of, wait a second. We keep these things in a box. Now, after this, we balance them separately. Balance oxidation half and reduction half separately. Okay, oxidation half and reduction half separately. Now this balancing has a few steps. This balancing has a few steps, which is important. Balancing have a few steps, and it also depends whether you have the oxidation half or the reduction half. Okay, and it also depends whether you have the basic medium or the acidic medium. Now, to balance the oxidation half and reduction half, what you have to see, you have to first of all add electrons on LHS left hand side, right? Left hand side if reduction, and on right hand side if oxidation. It doesn't mean that you will add how many. I mean, you don't have a choice to add the number of electrons. The number of electrons, it will be determined by the change in oxidation number. Okay, so if the change is from +3 to, let us say, +3 to +6, that means you are having an oxidation, and it will be happening with a loss of 3 electrons. Okay, so add electrons mean you have to add appropriate number of electrons. Now, after that, balance the charges on both sides on both sides, either by adding H plus if acidic medium, or OH negative if basic medium. Okay. Then what do you do? Then balance the oxygen and hydrogen by adding H2O. I hope you are writing these points. Okay. Write these points. Balance the oxygen and hydrogen by adding H2O. Then what do you need to do? The next step is add the balanced reduction half and oxidation half but keep in mind that the number of electron should be same in either reactions, either half reactions.